Hey everyone, we're back with another fitment on the bench. I have got some dyno work today, so I'll get onto that later. That's also a pretty unique one you guys might enjoy. But at the moment we have a very unique Ducati Penigale V4 in yellow. I have never ever seen yellow V4 Penigale. Looks amazing, and the color, they've improved on the yellow from the old 748s and stuff. Client had the calipers professionally redone in black. We're fitting I think it's a CS4 exhaust. This is the S model, so it's got the full electronic suspension. Very nice car. Very excited to hear what it sounds like. They're too quiet with the standard exhaust and they build up too much heat. So once we replace the exhaust, we should have a little bit of better heat management, and the client will be a bit happier with it, because at the moment he's like, nah, going back to the V2. But yeah, that's something else. Very nice car. He's done it up nicely. Very tasteful, so enjoy the vid and we'll hear what it sounds like. Okay, so we've got our Heel Tech exhaust servo eliminator, and obviously this exhaust we're fitting CS Racing. So not the most expensive exhaust, but it'll do the job to get the heat out. So yeah, let's get stripping and we will get that all on. Okay, so let's just see how the standard exhaust sounds. Okay, now we'll start with the install of the other one and then we can see how that sounds. Okay, so I've just loosened off the 3 bolts, pop that out. So you just got to push that little clip, pop that out, and then we install the exhaust servo. Make sure the orientation's correct. Easy as that. Okay, just loosen the bolts, always hold it on the outside of the servo, pop that off, just gently pop the cable out, and we can just take these out. We've disconnected the servo, but the client just wants to leave it in. So we've just removed that, we'll bolt it back into place. And we've got to tie that up, and then that's the exhaust servo eliminator done. Okay, so I had to stop filming because this was way too brutal to get the standard exhaust out. Yeah, I almost had to call Dr. Phil for mental guidance there.
Emotional damage!
But anyway, we got it out. And that's the thing, unfortunately this is where you have to knock it with a wooden plank to dislodge the top cylinders, the rear cylinders from the exhaust, and then slot it out where it's got the locking pin. But after the second blow, she ripped. So yeah, if the client wants to use that again, you'll have to get it titanium welded. We're going to start fitting all the new stuff. Yeah, it was way too brutal to film. Trust me, I did you a favor. Okay, so finished fitting the exhaust, just put the fairings back on. It actually looks quite nice, I think. Let's take a look at the other side. Quite a nice looking system. And now we got to hear our sound, shall we? Much better. I just got to reset the adaptive trim so it can just stabilize a bit on the idle and sort all that out. So I'll be doing that quickly and then we're done.